Are you tired of fighting with your ex over missed pickups and broken promises? Does a weekly changeover fill you with dread? There's no doubt that co-parenting can be incredibly challenging and emotionally draining. But what if there was a way to stop arguing and have more certainty in your life? What if you knew how to deal with each co-parenting issue before it cropped up? What if you had a plan? A parenting plan can help you and your ex-partner create rules and guidelines around looking after your children. It can help you create consistency and routine in dealing with everyday issues so you have more harmony and everyone is happier. It's simpler than you think to create a parenting plan, especially when you use a ready-made template. Click the link below to create your parenting plan today. For more information, please visit rpemery.com.au.